To connect USB drive into your Samsung A07 and transfer files, first of all, you have to just simply plug it in into the USB-C port. If you don't have the USB-C USB drive, then you can use adapter from USB-A into USB-C, like for example this one. But in my case, everything is fine, it works, and now we have to open the quick settings panel. We have to check if we are connected, and now when you click here, as you can see, we will be redirected into the USB drive storage. So now if I want to move some data from or to my USB drive, let's say that in this case I want to move something from my USB drive, so I have to go for this files, I have to select them, and I can find two options to move this or copy. If I'm going to select copy, then these files will be still available on the USB drive, but we can just copy them into our storage. So in this case, I'm going to select copy, and now here let's go for internal storage, and let's say I want to put it into my downloads folder. That will be here. There we go. Click to copy here, wait for that, and now as you can see, that's how you can do this. Quite simple.